we can make special emphasis to certain cells in Excel by designing and styling borders. There is a border feature here in Excel. If you want to stand out certain cells, we can simply select and go to borders and maybe select this tick outside borders, or simply outside borders. So now it's becoming standout. So we can see more border features also, and here in the more, and we have this style. We can select any style. We can select the presets also here. We can also change the color. Let's select this red color. We can select this the borders also, and finally we can click OK. Now it looks good. If we change our mind, we can go ahead and select no borders. Now it's gone. We can also use the draw method. We can draw manually each cell or a group of cell, and also we can change the colors on the line type. Let's see it in action. Let's select this line type and the color is red. So it's great.